All right, I'm going to turn this off now, and when I get home from work, then I will open it up and look at it and stuff. So let's turn. It's pulling a very good vacuum, but the light is still on. So let's turn this off. So we will turn that off. Oh, gotta plug it. We gotta unplug it on this end too. Okay. Oh, crap. All right. So when this leaks all the air back in, then we will come back after work. All right, I'm home. I've got time now, so let's have a look. No, I didn't melt it. I didn't think it would after only 8 days. And the heating element might have touched itself while it was wrapping around, which would shorten the which would shorten the heating element and lower the significantly lower the resistance it provides, which would lower the temperature it can get up to. So I think if I want this to work, to melt, I'm going to have to run it for 16 days. Or maybe I'll fill one of these with only a tiny smattering of powder and build it up from there. Like I'll make put like a small amount in here, and then make that into a gemstone, and then once that works, I'll put a little on top of it, heat it up, use it to turn that that extra powder into a into more gemstone, and more put more on top of that, and so on and so forth. But for now, I've got to move, and I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to have to do for this, but I'll be thinking about it. Thank you for coming, and when God wants me to have this successfully work, then it will work. And I do know, I'm very well aware of that. So I'm not sure when that will be, but God will make it work when he wants it to. And I will continue praying for that. So stick around, and I will see what I can do next. All right. Thanks, folks. Have a blessed